All right, we should be numb. How's it feel?
I don't feel it. It feels numb.
Feels numb. All right, so we're going to use a 15 blade here. Now you may be feeling pressure right now.
I just feel you pushing on me. I'm assuming you're doing the thing where you're spreading it.
Right. All right. So here we
I
go.
can't see it all. So.
You're going to have to watch it on the video.
Ews.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting away from there.
Yeah. Look like silly string coming out of there.
Make a bigger hole.
You think so? All right, we're gonna make a little stick on this. You ready? And we're getting a whole bunch of pusses coming out right now. You see that? How you feeling?
I'm on.
We got a whole bunch of pus coming out of there. Wow, here comes more. I can't believe all that was in your ear. I'll get another 4x4 here. How's your pain? You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
More coming. Oh, yes, honey. You gotta feel that.
It's hard to believe that's all coming out of your ear. Does it hurt a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Deep breath. We gotta squeeze just a little bit more on it. But boy, we have gotten a whole bunch out of there.
Your earlobe all of a sudden getting smaller.
Yeah. Easy does it. Deep breath, okay? You alright? If it's hurting a whole bunch and you want me to stop for a second, you tell me, okay?
Yeah.
That hurts when, ugh. Oh,
yes.
man, yeah.
Big pockets.
Big
Big pockets.
pockets there.
You okay, honey?
Yeah.
You okay, honey?
Yeah.
Deep
Hang in
breath.
there, honey.
We're still just getting lots of, it's amazing that you're getting rivulets of pus is just pumping out of this. That had to hurt, man.
You're good, honey. You're good. You're doing really good. Stay with us, dear. That's good.
Okay, so here we are. We're going to make a little incision across there. See what comes out. You ready?
Do you feel that?
Good.
Ooh.
Get some drainage already, don't we? Okay, well, we're opening this up a little bit, but we're getting a rivulet of pus.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, let's see if we can't open this up a little bit more. If it hurts, you say something, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, ugh. Oh man, that's bad. You are not gonna believe this when you see this video.
Yeah, I gotta check that out.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're getting into the cottage cheese. Man, that is a bad odor you got going on there.
Yeah, I actually smell it this time.
Right, I told you, I was like, I don't know how y'all handle that. That's gross.
I'm guessing you can smell it through.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now we got the team. All right, we're gonna put a little cold spray on you, then we're gonna do our injection. Are you ready?
All right, I'm ready.
What's Gumby say?
Cold.
These is stick, sting, and a burn.
Yeah,
It's
but
not
that's
Gumby.
not Gumby. It's supposed to be Gonzo. But I was trying to see if you were paying attention. Did you feel a little sting there?
Is that a painkiller, I hope?
It is. It's the numbing medicine.
I have
We are,
up front. Sorry, I know it's.
That's okay. Go ahead. We're good. I got the gum.
It's crazy.
This one, we don't know what we're gonna get. I think it's pretty shallow, so this one should just come right out.
Oh, just try to keep our investments where they are.
You mean you have investments?
Yes, fortunately.
Fortunately. What's that like? You and Gumby are just rich. We're gonna squeeze some out here. Let's see what comes out. Oh,
Good one.
yeah, that was pretty good.
1% with epinephrine and Upward. And it's, I gave you 7 cc's with a 25 1 inch. You know what I mean. I can't talk.
25 gauge needle with a 1 inch long.
Yes.
We're
That's
using-
Friday. My brain don't work.
Bruce, we're using your back kind of like a desk here.
Sorry.
We like it when people feel nothing. That's kind of our goal.
Alrighty.
Don't go anywhere, Gonzo.
It's kind of hard to stay still when
You
I
stay
have
right there. We actually have 2 cameras working on you. We're going to try to get a little culture out of this.
It's been a while since I've done this one, so it's
Camera,
shaky.
you're a little bit. That's okay. Just do your best. There we go. We got our culture going, and we're going to do a little squeeze here, Gonzo.
Really? Well, I'm over here.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, Doc, you got it on him. Sorry, dude.
Yep. We got pus. You definitely have an underlying epidermoid cyst here. And we're going to do a little squeeze here, Gonzo.
Really? Well, I'm over here.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, Doc, you got it on him.
We're going to give this a little squeeze and see what comes out. You guys ready? Can you see okay?
Yes. He's on. Ooh.
Looks like a giant worm just came out of that.
Right?
Okay. You need to know that this for sure is an epidermoid cyst because we're getting the stuff out now, Mr. Hawkeye. Your friend is coming right out.
I'm good.
You're okay.
Now we're going to open this up a little bit more.
Make sure he's not blocking the. He's not. Okay.
What we want to do now is we want to get this sac out. Have to widen the excision just a wee bit here. Mr. Hawkeye, as I kind of lean on you a little bit here, or as I'm doing this, open this up here. But you shouldn't feel any sharp, like knife sticking kind of pain. Okay? You with me?
Yes, sir.
Well, hello, friend.
Yeah, there's more in there.
Wow. How deep is it?
Surprisingly deep. That's why I couldn't just grab the bottom on it.
Wow.
You
Friend?
getting all of that, Misty?
Yes. Need some more 4x4s.
I think I'm good for now.
I think you're gonna need more of them.
I think what's amazing is we were able to push the cyst inside out. I'm gonna get onto that. That is the whole cyst inside out. You see that?
Wow.
We actually turned the cyst inside out. So we're gonna get every bit of this out for you. The chance of this cyst coming back is gonna be next to 0.
Oh, good. Okay.
You like that, huh?
Yes, sir. That's good.
That is so crazy.
Isn't that neat?
It's a lot. Really?
Did you like that?
I want to watch.
Don't watch?
Don't watch.
Gonzo, can you see okay?
I can see.
This is a number 11 blade. I'm going to make a little incision right here.
Did you already do it?
Well, we're doing it.
Oh, look, yeah.
It's
I'm
not-
not.
Oh,
Ooh.
wow.
Oh my god.
Did you know you had that much pus under there?
No.
And you have it on both. Oh, you have it on both sides.
Oh
too.
my god.
I can't see the other side, but I can see.
That's okay. We're oozing out all kinds of pus out of here.
Wait, I didn't take a picture.
I guess you are the patient.
People gotta see this.
You should be able to take a photo.
Ew.
Send it to Daddy.
There you go.
Where'd the
All
cat?
right, I'm gonna lift up here a little bit.
The cat disappeared. You know?
Gonzo, culturette, please.
I started taking it, and you said it could take a little while for the effects to take in, but immediately I felt so much energy the first week. I was so excited about it.
Awesome. How about beyond the first week?
I mean, I still feel like it. I probably didn't start taking it till like the week after Valentine's Day,
Okay.
and it was right during the competition time, and I was real sluggish and stuff, and it immediately helped.
Wow, that's fantastic. So you feel more alert,
I did.
and do you get jittery, shaky kind of feelings with it, or anything
No,
like
not
that?
at all. And with some vitamins, I do.
Uh-huh.
I actually take like a children's vitamin because, and when I ask you about it, because I'm not real good with a lot of vitamins, but I had no problems at all with it.
Wonderful. So it was a good add-on for you, gave you lots of energy.
Yeah, it was great.